Good morning, and this is one of those mornings. This is when I have to be at class. I'm teaching a drawing class this morning, and I only have a few minutes. So I have to get going, but I want to have some breakfast. I'm a fan of cinnamon toast, and if you are too, you'll be interested in this. In my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, there's a wonderful recipe for cinnamon toast. Quick and easy and really a good wholesome breakfast. Now, what makes it different doing it in the toaster oven? Well, I will show you. So instead of toasting the toast and then buttering it and putting all of the sugar and cinnamon on the toast, what you do with the toaster oven is this. I have a mixture here of 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of margarine, that's at room temperature, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I have mixed that together in a little bowl. Now I'm going to take that mixture and I'm going to spread it on these pieces of whole wheat bread, and they're not toasted, they're just plain. And I'm just splitting the mixture up. So that each piece has an even amount of the mixture on it. There's one right there. Okay, now I'm just going to put the pieces of bread in the toaster oven like this. Put it on toast and start it. Well, the toast is done. It took probably 3 minutes altogether. I double toasted it because I like it nice and crispy. With the toaster oven, the butter and sugar mixture with the cinnamon is already together. So it goes into the bread. It becomes part of it. The flavor is absolutely wonderful. It's a toasted flavor rather than just butter and sugar and cinnamon. To me, if there's any reason for getting a toaster oven, it's cinnamon toast. A nice, wholesome, quick breakfast. Took only a few minutes, and it's delicious. Give it a try.